Do you know how to get rich fast? Hi everyone!
Hi!
Today we are going to practice how-to questions in English. As always, you can read the text in the PDF, which you can find in the description. Follow our podcasts on Yandex Music and iTunes. For more new dialogues, subscribe to our channel. So here we go. So, Anya, do you know how to be a good listener?
Well, a good listener never interrupts you and listens to you carefully.
Right.
Eye contact is important as well. Yeah, you're quite right. I think I am a good listener.
Yeah, that's right. Do you know how to see in the dark?
No, I don't. I think only animals can do it, not people.
Yeah, I think so too. Do you know how to train for a marathon?
Well, at first you should try to run a short distance.
Right.
It helps you to prepare your body, especially if you have never run before.
Yeah.
And then you can do a longer distance, and when you are ready enough, you can run a marathon.
Yeah.
But be careful and listen to your body.
Yeah, you need to do it step by step.
Yeah, of course.
Right. Do you know how to use Windows and Apple computers?
I know how to use only Windows computers.
Okay.
I use it at work every day.
Right.
Apple computers are much more expensive.
Yeah.
As far as I
That's true.
know, Apple is a good choice for working with graphics.
Yeah.
Designers love it.
Yeah, that's true. Do you know how to make people very happy?
At first, you should make yourself happy and then think about other people. You
Right.
can be polite, smile, make compliments, help with advice, and so on.
Yeah, I think so too. Do you know how to lose weight fast?
It's easier said than done, you know.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think good nutrition and workout are the best helpers in losing weight.
Yeah, absolutely. I agree. Do you know how to get the guy of your dreams?
Yes, of course, I got you.
Yeah, that's so cute. Do you know how to get an upgrade to business or first class?
Speaking of airplane tickets, you should just pay extra for it.
Yeah, just pay some more and
Yeah.
you'll get it, right? Do you know how to get rich fast?
You need to invent something useful and brand new. For example, an engine that works forever. So
Right.
you can
Make
make a lot of money
Right.
and get rich fast.
Right. Do you know how to use English punctuation correctly?
No, I don't, but I do my best to make fewer writing mistakes.
Yeah, good for you.
So, Renat, do you know how to take really good photos?
I'm not that good at taking photos.
Yeah, you're right.
So I can't say that I know how to take good ones. Yeah.
Yeah.
But my smartphone can take really good photos instead of
Yeah,
me. So
yeah.
that's good.
It's the best. Do you know how to make bread?
I used to bake bread at school, but it was a long time ago. Now I don't know how to do it, of course.
Yeah, okay. Do you know how to make friends?
Usually I get on well with people,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
So it's not difficult for me to make new friends.
Yeah, it's true.
I have a lot of friends now.
Do you know how to look your best?
I can't say that I always try to look my best. I know how to look good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's enough for me.
Yeah, it's enough. Do you know how to handle jealousy?
I think that the most important thing is to trust your partner.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, I am not a jealous person. I think it's a stupid feeling, actually.
Yeah, agree. Do you know how to get good grades in your English exams?
If you want to get good grades, there is only one way to do it. You need to study hard.
Wise words, yeah.
Yeah, but easier said than done.
Yeah, it's true. Do you know how to look after a baby?
I have never had such experience yet.
Yeah, okay.
But in the future, I will learn how to look after a baby.
Of course.
I will have to.
Yeah, of course. Do you know how to overcome your fear?
Fear is a normal feeling that protects our body from dangerous things.
Yeah, it's true.
If I need to overcome this feeling, I just try to relax and take a few deep breaths.
Yeah.
It usually helps.
Yes, of course, it helps. Do you know how to look 10 years younger?
I'm a man. I don't need it actually.
Maybe, yeah.
I like looking my age, you know.
Yeah, good for you.
Yeah, but if you want to stay young as long as possible, it's better to do some sports.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
And it's better to start in the childhood.
Yeah, true. Do you know how to lie?
I don't usually lie to people, but if I need to lie, I know how to do it.
Bad boys, bad boys.
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do when they come for you?
Right. So guys, thank you very much for watching. That was a small talk about how to questions in English. If you like the video, don't forget to like it of course and follow our channel. Thank you very much once again and see you later. Bye.
Bye.